Welcome to a short tutorial on how to modify a wrongly entered procedure in iQ-WEB RIS. As radiographer, I want to delete a wrongly entered procedure and create a new procedure to avoid misleading documentation. For doing this task, I will go to Workflow tab. Choose the search option Manual. Choose the task type Perform Imaging. Choose the status Pending. Open a pending task from a patient by double-clicking. Go to Procedures tab. Open the wrongly entered procedure by clicking the Pin button. The study instance UID, AET, and procedure code of the respective study are available. Now change AET and procedure code and press the Save button. The content in the device and code column are changed respectively in the procedure table. Choose the next status and close the order editor by pressing the Save button. The content in the device and procedure column are changed respectively in the workflow table. Thank you for your attention.